What is going on, everybody? Thomas here from ROA Off-Road, or RVs of America, from your South Carolina location. I have a fun and exciting camper to show you guys today. This is the IBEX 20FKDS. This is a front kitchen floor plan. As you see, you have plenty of counter space up front here to put whatever you may need, your dishes, nacho bar, whatever you're going to be doing when you're out camping. Speaking of bar, you do have a nice bar top here with 2 bar stools so that you can eat your breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you want to do. You have plenty of storage below with open cabinets, storage drawers. You do have your microwave up top there with a little bit of more storage up top there as well. Beautiful view out of your front window, but if you don't like it, you do have your full blackout shade. That's going to help with that heat, and it's going to help with that light. Okay, you do have your 3-burner cooktop in here, so when you want to cook in here, again, IBEX's beautiful design cutting board there, and its nice storage. Okay, turning on around here, you do have your fridge. It is a full 12-volt fridge running off your battery, so yes, you can have this on going down the road. You're not going to have any issues with that at all. Right beside that, you're going to have your theater seating, so these do recline out. You do have your nice tray table that goes over top of you there with the cup holder in it, in case you do want to eat over here, relax, recline, watch some TV right by your door here. Nice big pantry or storage closet, whatever you might want to use this for. Just plenty of storage in this model that you have here. Really open floor layout with the slide that pops out. Really opens it up in here to where you and your family, so you can get around the kitchen, get around the living area, get in and out of the door really easily. Moving on back, use your walk-through bathroom. Again, one of my favorite bathrooms in the middle here because it is the whole width of the camper and you have plenty of space to get ready or to do whatever you may need. Porcelain toilet, so it is not just any kind of cheap plastic toilet. Nice sink in here with some storage below and a medicine cabinet above there as well. Moving on into the rear bedroom area, you have nice overhead storage, closets on the side, drawers on the side, nice little corner storage over there, more storage over here, outlets, USB ports on both sides of the bed with plenty of windows around the room as well. You do have your storage drawers below with open storage below the bed there as well. Very easy to let up and down. Guys, let's check the outside. Right on the outside, as you saw, come down your solid steps with a nice beautiful awning covering your door there with your awning lights above. Guys, also right beside your door here, you're going to have your outdoor kitchen, so you have your suburban cooktop, and right beside that you do have an outdoor tray table that comes with this that you can pick up and remove wherever you need it to go to. Right beside that is going to be your quick connect for this outdoor griddle, or if you have a propane fireplace or smoker or whatever else you may use, you can also hook it up to that as well. Have your hot and cold outdoor shower sprayer, so if you need some hot cold water to do your dishes, spray off your feet, spray your dog, spray your muddy kids off, whatever you may need is right there. Pull this up, so this is going to be storage on the outside right below the bed on the inside. One of my favorite things is this does have your magnetic door latch, so you do not have those plastic clips that get real brittle and crack during the heat. And again, one of my favorite things, slam latch. You can just let it shut and it will latch there for you and close. Guys, this is just a beautiful unit. Again, nice big awning that covers the whole camper just about. You have some nice Westlake aggressive tires with that Curt independent suspension. Now this is the Black Canyon edition. Okay, so you're gonna have that Curt independent suspension, 400 watts of solar, 2000 watt inverter, freshwater filter, and you're gonna have your MaxxAir vent covers up on your roof. Again, guys, this is the Black Canyon edition. This is how we will have them. You can also order these with a EcoFlow battery package. It comes with a 5,000 kilowatt 48 volt battery a 3600 watt inverter, and also you can run your air conditioner for about 12 hours is what I've been told. That's amazing. So right up front, you do have the tankless water heater, ease of access to that. Nice friction hinge door, so during bad wind, if you have this, it is not going to slam shut on you because of those friction hinges with the screen door for that beautiful time of the year. Guys, this is the IBEX 20FKDS. This was just a quick walk around of this unit. If you guys want to check this unit out, go right here to our website. Again, my name is Thomas with ROA Off-Road in South Carolina. You can also give me a call here, and I will be more than glad to tell you more about this unit that we just took a look at. Guys, thanks so much again for watching. If you want to become a roamer, reach out. I'll be more than glad to help you become one. Thanks, and we'll see you guys next time.